What alcohol does to liver? First of all, we need to understand what is the look of the normal liver on ultrasound. On ultrasound, the size of the liver is less than 15.5 centimeter maximum in the craniocaudal direction, and the ecotexture is such that it matches with the ecotexture of the parotid gland and that of the spleen, and echogenicity is such that the intraparenchymal vessels of the liver are clearly visible. The diaphragm is clearly seen, and the echogenicity matches with that of the renal cortex. Now, as a response to the damage caused by the alcohol, initially there is fatty liver, there is fatty deposition inside the liver. So the grade 1 fatty liver is that where the echogenicity of the liver parenchyma increases, it is more than that of the renal cortical echogenicity. As the damage increases further, there is increase in the echogenicity of the liver. Of course, the size of the liver also increases, and the echogenicity is increased to such extent that the visibility of the intraparenchymal vessels and that of the diaphragm is compromised to such extent. Although still it is visible, the visibility is reduced. Here we can see that the visibility of the intraparenchymal vessels is highly reduced. As the damage increases further, the grade 3 fatty liver changes occurs. The size of the liver is increased and the intraparenchymal vessels are no more visible. Even the diaphragm also is hardly visible. So in this case also the diaphragm is hardly visible, and in this third case the diaphragm visibility is totally lost. As the damage continues, the alcohol intake continues, what happens? That the liver starts shrinking because of the fibrosis. This stage is called cirrhosis. This is the stage of the liver failure. So in that case, there is coarse ecotexture, that is, the liver appears more nodular, more granular, and even the surface also shows nodularity. The smooth outline of the liver is lost and there appear variable sized nodules on the surface. So, alcoholic liver disease is divided into these 4 stages according to ultrasound imaging. The fatty liver grade 1, where there is increased echogenicity of mild level. Fatty liver grade 2, the echogenicity is increased to a moderate level. There is reduced visualization of the hepatic vessels. And fatty liver grade 3, where the increased echogenicity is of the severe level and the hepatic vessels and the diaphragm are not visible. And finally, the stage of the cirrhosis, that is the stage of the liver failure, the liver shrinks, there is coarse ecotexture, there is surface nodularity, and usually it is also associated with portal hypertension and ascites. Thank you.